Julia is freaking out. Her baby tooth is gone. There's nothing to laugh about, Pinky. That was my favorite tooth. Why did you leave me? Sis, you should have thrown a farewell party. That's it. I'm going to bed. The tooth can't be saved. That's why it's better to give it to the tooth fairy. I wonder what she'll give me in return. Tonight is going to be a magical night, and the morning will be even better. I think there's something under my pillow. It's a precious necklace. Julia got visited by a very rich tooth fairy.
Wow.
And that's not all. There's a treasure trove here. I'm rich now, Pinky. Wow. Lucky you. Maybe the tooth fairy left me some presents too. But Pinky has nothing but trash under her pillow. Serves you right. Oh yeah? I'm gonna teach you a lesson. The tooth fairy needs a tooth, and she will get one. Not working? How about this? Oh my goodness, that hurts! Pinky will stay broke. Here comes Julia. What's she up to? I need a secret room. A rich one, obviously. Hey! I want a secret room too! Pinky, grown-ups are talking, and that's better. So, should it be bright and cozy in here? Are we clear? Then let's get to work. It's great to have a personal assistant. We'll remove the bed and put the table in its place. That's a good start. Those curtains look too cheap. Let's fix that. Gold will transform everything. Hey, can you give me a hand? But this employee is too expensive. How about a burger?
Oh.
Yummy. Come on, I'll give you some. Stop. You're fired and no tips. What a bad day. See you later, boy. Stay out of the way, Pinky. The golden curtains are already in place. And we'll put the table right here. I can do that too, Julia. Let me just lift the bed. Now we'll prop the bed up with sticks. And the hiding place is ready. No way, Pinky. My secret room will be better. I'll raise my cabin too. How do you like that? Hey, what are you doing? That's not fair. And Pinky's construction is in full swing. Her bed is already under the ceiling. Do you like it, Julia? But you won't have any golden walls. Walls, you say? Not a problem. That'll do too. That's not so bad. The secret room is so spacious. And there will be this rug on the floor. Simple, but tasteful. Except the ceiling looks sad. I have an idea. Paper fringe is just the thing. That's right, Julia. Sis, that's too cheap. How's that for a rug? How soft. And let's give the interior an airy touch. Wrap the garland in tulle. What a beautiful nightlight. Look at that, Pinky. Big deal. I have a light too. Julia is in lead. But Pinky has an ace up her sleeve. She'll make a small chair. Let's start by drawing it. And then we cut it out. Cardboard never fails. Time to glue the seat and the back. And now the fun part, making the upholstery. We need old clothes. Tie the chair with rope and it's done. Look at this, Julia. What do you know about style? Well, what am I talking about? You don't even have a chair. A chair? That's for poor people. Julia will have a real throne. And the gold cardboard back is already in place. Let's add some foam rubber. It's perfect. We'll use natural silk for the upholstery. Purple looks so royal. And of course, jewels. Let's put them in a pattern on the back of the throne. Oh, that's brilliant. And a couple more gold accessories. The more monograms, the better. Now, that's really a throne. You never know what you'll find in the dumpster. There are so many treasures here. Hey, that's an idea. Come here. You're mine now. A road sign would make a nice table. And instead of legs, you can use plungers. That's convenient, and it's free. See that sign, sis? Don't get too close. And I'm not going to, Pinky. I have armrests to make. We roll up the soft pieces in this way and fasten them to the throne. Now, the princess can rule her golden kingdom. You can't win, Pinky. Whatever. Pinky has creative ideas too. Not as rich, though. The house under the bed can be decorated with colored wire. Beautiful and practically free. You can't beat me, Pinky. Watch and learn. Why use wire when you can use money? What do you think? It's just paper. Look what I've got. Pinky has a great idea. But first, she has to make brightly colored pom-poms out of yarn. Done! What a nice garland. Oh, it turned out amazing! Sis, check this out! Don't be ridiculous, Pinky. How can you brag about that? My room is great. Yours sucks. And it's about to get even better. Let's get a golden hamster wheel. Remove all the extra. Wrap the wheel with a gold ribbon with rhinestones. Gold decor? That's a good idea. This will make gorgeous fringe. Put a lamp in the lampshade, and the VIP chandelier is ready. Hang it right here. The secret room looks so expensive. And Pinky's only decoration is this globe. Wait, there's a flashlight too. We can connect these parts and get a chandelier. Cut the globe in half. Put a flashlight in each half. And now make a holder out of wire. What could be easier? Let's light up the chandeliers. And they're ready to go. Oh, cool! It looks very stylish. The room under the bed will be even more bright at night. Time for an expensive snack. Oh no, I have nowhere to put my food. We have to solve this problem. Let's make a table. We need a big lampshade from a floor lamp. I wonder what she's up to. Okay, the base is in place. The only thing missing is the tabletop. And there it is. Let's make a tabletop out of the tray. It's all gold. Add tulle to make it look like a work of art. You're adorable! So, should we have lunch now? I can't wait to eat! Pinky has so much jewelry. She needs a holder. Julia will be jealous. Now those old rackets come in handy. Stop! No more games. There's still a lot to do. Tie our rackets crosswise, like this. And now put them on the wall. Put a mirror in one racket. And Pinky needs hooks from the hangers. Attach them to the net. This is where her favorite jewelry will go. The room is nice and organized. You certainly can't do that, Julia. Of course, Pinky. After all, I'm going to have a rich box. Let's start by painting a crystal sugar bowl. Already done. And now, let's decorate it. A gold wire can turn anything into a masterpiece. More curls and small details. Add details. Let's decorate the jewelry box with precious stones. Wow, how sparkly! But you can never have too much shine. Let's add a ribbon with rhinestones. The final touch, gold wheels. And the box carriage is ready. Can you do that, Pinky? And don't even think about sneaking into my room. The rich room is for rich people only, okay? Wow. Pinky got a letter. Let's check it out. But the news isn't great. She can't hide from her bills. She has no money to pay them. But I have a great idea for decorations. When you have a stapler, you can create a real masterpiece. This paper is about to turn into a curtain. Let's staple the sheets together into a large canvas and attach the curtain to the ceiling. There are so many bills that they managed to cover the whole house. It turned out as good as Julia's. And the rich sister is having a party. Hey, Julia, can you keep it down? Your house is about to collapse. And it did. We have to save ourselves. Sis, come to my place. Even the rich house couldn't take that much sound. Oh. Pinky, I'm scared. The secret room is destroyed. It's over, Pinky. I'm homeless now. Come on, sis. It's no big deal. Where will I live? Don't worry, Julia. We'll fix it now. Look, it's easy. Your rich house is all right now. Thank you, Pinky. Take all my money and the golden bedspread, too. Friendship always wins, even when it comes to building secret rooms.